Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. You can already probably tell what it is. It's an 80th birthday kit, and I got this. My mom's turning 80 in next year. So let's check out what we got here, and I'll show you what the different pieces and parts are and what it all is, and we'll figure it out together. So let's see. So we have a happy birthday sign. We have an 80 happy birthday cheers. We have another cheers one. We have 80 years with a bunch of 80s on the back, a bunch of balloons. We have another 80 years present, another bottle here, and this. And then we get a whole bunch of these things here. I'll show you what these all are here in a second. What these are the connectors for the base. So it's got like a little tape strip on the back here. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm going to use it later, but I'll show you guys how it all works. So you find the one that's like the right size, that's like half the size across, I guess, because it's going to be folded out. So let me see which one's small one, whatever, this one here maybe. And then what you do is you tape it on, and then it opens up, and it tapes on the other side, so you see. And then you could even, I don't know if there's enough, it looks like there might be enough to put one on the front and one on the back. So then it makes a little table standy. So how cool is that? So I have like a 80 year, this one here, we'll have maybe on this big, huge one here, it'll take these big ones here. So these big old ones right here. So that's what this one here will be. If I can open it, let's see. And there we go. And then we'll just tape that onto there. See, and then it'll kind of hold it in place right there, and then it'll be like that on the table. So how pretty are these? So these are going to be on there, and very nice. So we're all set for Mom's birthday for some of these decorations. So that's cool. So it's nice. We'll have all these on the tables and ready to go. And they are super nice, super easy to put together too. You saw I just kind of took them out here. I think, I mean, they already came all punched out and everything, so they're just ready to go. Put those tapes on and you're good. So super cool. So I'm going to say these are nice. Thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.